Hey everyone, Brandon here, Florida Outdoors RV. I want to show you this Primetime Crusader. It's a pre-owned unit, $295. Really nice and homey decor in here. Very well taken care of. A smoke-free pre-owned unit. Great condition. Great price. Lots of good storage. Bed up here with lots of mirrored storage here as well, as you can see in those pictures, and then easy access from either side to the restroom. So, alright, we'll take a look outside. Alright, so this is made with a bonded aluminum structure, so sturdy and light. Automatic awning, of course. Touring edition. If you have any questions about this RV, be sure to give us a call at that number right here on this page. We'd be more than glad to answer any questions for you. Thanks so much and have a great day.